Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to do this peach glam look. So without further delay, let's get into the video. That's it for the video guys. I hope you liked it. Let us know in the comment section below. And because you love us and our content so much, we have a little surprise for you. Join the MyGlamm POPxo Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link is in the description box below. And for more such content, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye.